plata o plomo.
Going on YouTube today, we have a few different cars that are being worked on today. So I'm here unlocking the PCM for this 2015 Dodge Charger RT. We're doing our 91 tune only package. So we unlocked the PCM here in house. We're gonna close this up, seal it, put it back into the vehicle, and then tune it here on the dyno, and then that will go home today. We do have a 2019 Dodge Charger Hellcat that we did an oil change on, and just making sure that it's ready to hit the dyno as well. We did build the motor on it, so we want to make sure everything looks good. We have a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Customer's name is Mark. That one is getting ready for the track for Thursday. We did some cooling mods, did a bumper tank, so that's what Carlos is working on. And then we have Melvin doing IGLAs. I think he's on his third IGLA today. It's going to be a Camaro he's finishing up, and then we have the Scat Pack that's right behind Sway. And then we have Chele. He's working on the motor for the Jeep shop for Mike's Jeep. So he's building that motor together. So have it on the dyno, computer's in. We obviously it has 91 in it already, so we just did our steps and our baby pool. So far the fuel trims are looking good. Everything's looking good on it. So on our baby pool, from 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, it made 310. So gonna see what we could get it to. At a full pull, I think this next revision we put in it, we're gonna do a full pull on it. But everything's looking good. There's no KR. Fuel trims look good. Temps look good. So we'll see what this does once we dial it in here on the dyno and go home today. This customer dropped it off today at 9:30 a.m. It's currently 2 o'clock. We did have a little situation where he thought it was unlocked, that he paid someone to unlock it. Unfortunately, the computer was not unlocked. The computer had never even been touched. So we did pull that computer out for him and unlock it here in house. Took about 30 minutes to get it unlocked. But yeah, so we'll see what this does right now in a bit.
This car, you know, it's one of those. If you know, you know. Yeah, so if we want to keep it real with you guys, you know, this car had just finished getting the engine built, and unfortunately, you know, something happened where it dropped the valve. Came back for that, and you know, we're honestly just trying to keep it real with you guys. You know, we're trying to let you know that anything could happen, even if it's a fresh motor. So if you want more horsepower, you're gonna have more shit to break, and that's just part of the game, honestly. So, you know, this one was one of those. He came back, we got it fixed, now it's up and running. So we recently just did a front main seal, because it had a slight leak going through there as well. So we got that taken care of, and then apparently my coworker did the dual drop-in fuel pump in the rear. So he got that done yesterday, and front main seal today. And as of right now, you know, it's up and running pretty good. So I'm just clearing up some coats that we had going on, and it's pretty much ready from there. So that's where we're at right now with this one. You know, everybody works their ass off right here. So, you know, you got Alex, who's always taking care of the customers, and Christian taking care of the front office, Melvin putting in the hard work, my 2 other co-workers putting in the hard work, and so am I. So nobody here wants anything bad for the cars to happen, you know. So, you know, at the same time, it's just like, you know, we work so hard that that's the last thing we want.
I was trying to take care of these babies. We did the Whipple, so the guy put more money on top of the car he gave me, so we gotta protect that, because they take it, they're not gonna pay for whatever you put on top of the price. But yeah, look at nice, good, beautiful interior, everything. So better put all the security, like whatever you gotta do to keep this car not really expensive. People call like, oh, IGLA is too expensive, but that's the best thing right now.
right here I get no light. Over here, I'm gonna face it towards you. See it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. It's the same thing though, because when you did it on this side, I also saw no light.
Yeah?
This side right here.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Well, I have to, like, as soon as I put the car in gear, I have to turn up. IGLA is working 100%. Boy, we were thinking to do a giveaway for you guys. If you guys subscribe on YouTube or you go to watch videos on YouTube, thinking to give away whatever you guys think. Maybe you can comment or you can go Instagram or whatever. Like any idea will be good for us. We know. So if not, we're gonna say like, come right here, Sway. No, it's good. We were thinking giveaway coño right here. Coño.
¿Qué pasa?
This is gonna be a giveaway. If you guys like it, you know, let me know, let my boss know. If not, anyway, we give you for free, you know.
It's a bonus, homie.
Bonus. Coño.
Alright guys, so this vehicle here is done on the dyno. Made 346 to the wheel on 91 for a RT. That's pretty good. Very simple setup. Customer just has an intake on it. All we did was tune out 91, unlock the PCM. No issues, everything looks good. So that's going to be sent home today. So that wraps up this video for today. So like, comment, and subscribe. We also, in the next video, will have a giveaway that we're going to be announcing. So stay tuned to that. And yeah, full blown for the win.